Hello? Hey, this boy. You are gone how under person. Yes. I'm good that and yes. I'm speaking English. I get Tundanaje American is not speaking Hausa. How far, my friend?
I'm good. What about you?
Fine, Kasan, you fine, big boy.
I'm feeling as if you are smoking weed.
Me, I'm not smoking. You are smoking, or you are this boy. Can I show Wayani?
This boy is useless. What are you saying? What are you saying? What sort of nonsense is this?
Speaking English now. Kadena mini Hausa o kana yin Hausa.
You are so useless.
Me, I'm a useless.
Yes, you are useless.
You are a useless. Kinda useless. I zama useless.
This guy don't know what he's saying.
You are Hausa man. I'm England man. You are a Kano man.
That's why I saw you from England. You are wearing this type of shoes now.
This shoe?
Yes.
In America, this one na 20k. 20.
But this guy is so mad.
Then he's so mad. Speaking English.
Hey.
How far, my boy?
Hey, what about you? How are you doing? How is things? Where did you travel to?
You say what? You say
I
what?
said where did you travel to?
Travel to. This one not English. Speaking English.
But this guy have gone mad. I'm asking you, where did you travel to?
You travel to? Yes, I'm travel to.
But this guy waiting they worry you for sense. And they ask you where you travel to. They tell me say waiting they worry me for sense.
Yeah.
But this guy should be where they don't they worry for you.
Yes. Oh, kai wannan barin wari kai na fahimci kai ma hukaci ne baka iya English.